So here's the Hardcore Products quick release sinkers. These are lead free, made out of stainless steel. Comes in a little Plano box. The whole idea behind this product is that, you know, the quick release system is lead free, it's eco-friendly, and it's easy to change your weights out. Made right here in the USA. Tie on the red top and you can sit here and change the weights out just by pulling them off. Pretty nice fish. The owner shaky worm with the Hardcore Products quick release sinker system.